So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin ito nga pong isa pang breaking news kabola na atin pong nabasa kabola last week, no, regarding dito po sa TNT superstar the blossoming RR Pugoy kabola. So sobrang daming nangyayari ngayon po na napangit po dito sa TNT at isa na nga po ito sa mga dapat pag-usapan. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito nga pong nangyari kay Pugoy, siya po ay na-detect na meron pong problema po sa kanyang puso kabola. At dahil po dito sa problema niya po sa puso na ito kabola, ang minimum po na kailangan or miss po niya for this upcoming season po is 6 months kabola. So 6 na buwan daw, no. So buong Commissioner's Cup hindi daw siya makakalaro, and maybe some of the Philippine Cup. That's currently minimum lang kabola, no. So hindi pa rin natin alam actually kung makakabalik pa rin siya. Although of course, itong si RR Pugoy, when he explained po his condition, very hopeful, di ba? Na siya po yung makakabalik pa kasi he's in prime sa kanyang career. He will be a top 10 player dun po sa ating kinakraft na 2023 top 100 kabola. So he just delivered his best season in the league, no? So nakakalungkot talaga lang kung ito na po or nakita na natin yung last game niya. Pero overall naman, may chance pa rin, no? May chance pa rin po siya makabalik na ma-overcome po itong heart condition po na ito. Pero of course, we also recognize din na may chance din po na hindi niya ma-overcome. There's a smaller chance kabola hindi niya ma-overcome, and that will be the risk that TNT should look forward to. Now, speaking of TNT kabola, dito muna tayo sa mga comments kabola. So in one of our posts kabola, TNT superstar nga ba humingi ng to the moon, di ba? Yung issue na yon. May comment dito, mukhang pera naman yung Mikey Williams na yan according kay Walter Ramos kabola. It's not really about, pwede mo sasabihin na mukhang pera, pero isipin din natin ito po kay kanila pong hanap buhay, di ba? Kung ka ba nag-work, di ba? Will you not maximize, di ba, the earning capacity that you can have? Although of course, we also recognize na parang sumusobra na rin sa pagiging conscious sa salary nitong si Mikey Williams kabola, and it's very obvious na he's playing in the PBA for the money kabola. Yun yung very obvious po dito, kaya naman understanding itong mga fans po na sobrang hate na siya ngayon, diba, because of all the issues na kinakasangkutan niya. Pero overall, we also need to recognize na karapatan niya po yan, that to push po as long as it is bound by the contract, ano po. So now I think TNT should of course think about the potential guys na mag-take over sa role po ni RR Pugoy kabola. Especially he's their best perimeter defender, I do believe, and he could be their best 3-point shooter also. So here are the 3 candidates na naisip natin. Number 3 will be Simon Enciso. So loaded sa guards ang San Miguel Beermen. Actually, Enciso came from TNT, alam naman natin yan. So they could talk to San Miguel. Nag-trade naman na sila dati kabola. And I think Enciso, knowing nga na may issue din kay Mikey Williams, medyo siya yung bagay kasi he could be a dominant ball handler kabola. His shooting is fine and his defense is also credible. Number 2 natin will be Ray Suerta. Ito naman yung batang player po ng Blackwater Elite, no? We are hopeful about his potential, pero currently he is a fine player. He's still young, so pwede pa rin pong ma-develop pa yung mga moves niya kabola, etc. Pero overall, kumbaga hindi niya na-meet, no, yung hype po nung mentor po siya sa draft. Pero overall, again, nandun pa rin, kita pa rin naman po kung saan siya pwede makarating with his potential. Kaya naman po, pwede siya pa rin i-target ng TNT. And knowing Blackwater, di ba, their connection with TNT, of course, mas magiging madala po ang usapan. Then LX, and the guy that they could really target is Don Troliano, I think. Si Don, maalala nyo, meron po rumor dati na parang bakit daw siya in-trade ng LX. And of course, Don is the Mr. Improvement of the past several years, no? Continuous po improvement niya kabola, and he is, for me, the best currently po na 3-and-D type po ng forward in the league, although very small siya na forward. He is not much of a play creator like Pugoy, pero shooting wise and defense wise, I think kaya niya pong makipagsabayan ito si Don Troliano. So for me, they may need to try to talk to their younger sibling na NLEX, pero I think kung ito makukunin nila, they will really give a big package kabola. Kung makabalas pa rin mo, sino po dapat i-target nila? Comment lang po sa baba.